Zipper.
Ready?
Yes.
Man, these drones are perfect.
This new footage is going to lead to so many discoveries.
Dr. Regan, I'd like to adjust our drone deployment walk and proceed to Aeolus Palace.
That's a little far for a day trip, Zipper.
Perhaps for a human.
God, why are you still such an asshole, Zipper?
Language, Dr. Yom.
Another delightful reminder of Volts.
Hey, I miss him too.
Leo, the job?
Riley.
No, I don't want to have this discussion again.
Again? Riley, you've never said anything.
No, this isn't about me. Okay, so just
You're more of a
stop.
robot than Zipper is.
Okay, now you're being an ass.
Sprockets, children watch us. Do I now have to censor your
No,
stream
Zipper,
as well?
it is not Sprockets. Not to you, it's Dr. Regan.
Riley, it's not a big...
No, you don't understand. My friend died. They froze him and shook him to dust, and now this thing sounds exactly like him. And I am here. I am here to do the job. So
Returning to Earth is still a possibility for you.
What, do you think I can't do the math?
I'm just saying...
No.
that
When the colonists arrive, you have the option, but I have gravity.
there's still time.
No. Time's up. I chose this. I will be the first citizen of Mars, so build me my own fucking city.
Doctor,
Well, honestly, I think Fotikov would probably get the first city.
Oh, you're probably right.
well, this take is also useless. Do you want to try again?
Yeah, sure. Last one, though. Okay, Zipper? Take 3?
take 3.
Yup.